Hello Tarun, how are you?
Fine.
Where are you from?
I am from Faridabad,
Okay,
Delhi NCR.
Faridabad. And where are you currently working?
Currently, I'm working with Bharti Airtel, Gurgaon.
Okay, Gurgaon. Okay.
Yeah.
Firstly, let me introduce myself. I am Sanskriti Gupta and I'm HR Project Manager at JB Private Limited. And we are the recruiting agency for overseas employment and we are working for European companies. Okay.
Yeah.
So, Tarun, what can you tell me about your experience?
Actually, I completed my BTech in 2011, and since 2012, I'm working with the Presto Stentus Private Limited. Basically, that was a testing machines manufacturing company. It's a Faridabad-based company, and in 2015, 15 onward, Salesforce is introduced over there. So I was the only person who handled and implement at the time of implementation. I was there. So since 2015 till now, I'm working with Salesforce on Salesforce domain.
Mhm.
My second company is United Ekta Engineering Udyog. Might be you have heard about the United Pressure Cooker.
Yes.
Yeah, that's the company that is in Noida Sector 8. And I worked there around 6 months, and after that, I got selected in Bharti Airtel on last December, 6th of December. Now I'm working on a sales cloud, SFDC sales cloud with
Mm-hmm.
admin support and development also.
Okay, so do you ever done client handling?
No, not at all.
Okay, so how do you manage this work, your main act of role?
Main act of role is actually we have a team of 6 people, and SFDC is in upstream in the Airtel. So
Mhm.
in upstream, all the data management and data migration, uh, the new data creation will be in the SFDC, and from that SFDC, it directly goes to the other servers of IBM and MDocs
Mhm.
for billing purpose. And what we need to do that on the administration sales process to support sales process, business process, and to create logic business logics, complex business logics, validation rules to fulfill the requirement of the business.
Hmm. Okay, so why are you looking for a job change?
No, not at I'm working, I worked on a third party payroll.
Okay.
Yeah, and basically I want to move on a core IT development. It's a telecom company,
Mm-hmm.
and I would just only want to move IT, core IT.
Okay, so which was the best project you have ever done?
Right now, I'm working on a project named Symphony. On that project, what we have to do, it's a basically a complex integration between SFDC and MDocs server.
So can you explain any one of your project in brief,
Uh,
other than symphony?
Other than Symphony,
Yeah.
basically, what we have in my previous company, what we have done, uh, Salesforce CRM is integrated with ERP.
Okay.
Actually, United Pressure Cooker was a mechanical based company, and they want to trace their actual real time stock.
Hmm.
So what they actually do, there is a requirement of business that what we have to do, we need to integrate Salesforce with the ERP that is from TCS Eon. It's a product of TCS Eon. So there is some complex workflow rule that when an product is get deducted or added in ERP, then
Hmm.
automatically a batch will run after half an hour. It's a circle of half an hour, and it runs. And when it runs, it automatically within half an hour it gets updated in Salesforce CRM, so that all the business users who are all the users who are in the market, so
Hmm.
what they actually get benefit from it, they actually get the real time data. Suppose that a person is in a market and he actually wants to check the stock of some certain product,
Hmm.
certain a product. So he can directly check it from that Salesforce. his
So
login.
that's nice. This thing I can very relate to this thing. So if you are selected, then how much time you will need to join us?
Ma'am, my official period is 30 days, but
Mhm.
once I get confirmation from your side, then it can be negotiable.
Okay, so what you are expecting from us?
Currently, I'm getting a package of 5 LPA and
Mm.
at least a 40% of hike.
Okay, so do you have any questions?
What will be the work location, ma'am?
Work location for now, for the current situation, we can provide your work from home, but after that it will be Jaipur or maybe Delhi,
Okay.
work from office.
Will be the second round technical?
Yeah, we will contact you shortly for the next round and let you know what will be the next procedures, okay?
Sure, sure. Okay, fine.
Okay, Tarun, it's very nice to talk to you.
Thanks, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. Have a nice
Thank you.
day.